This is Jean, one of the 125 Live TechMates. I will begin with a slide presentation and then go on to a live demo of Google Sheets and some of its helpful features. I'm using Windows 10 on an HP laptop. I'm using a Google Chrome browser, and I've already logged into our shared 125 Live TechMates Google account. I've chosen Drive from the list of Google apps, and now I'm ready to begin my demo. So I'm going to open my slide presentation. What is Google Sheets? Google Sheets is a web-based spreadsheet program, part of the Google Docs editor suite, which includes documents, word processing, presentations, drawings, forms, sites, and Keep. Google Sheets has options such as built-in formulas, pivot tables, and conditional formatting. What can I do with Google Sheets? I can create simple or complex spreadsheets, create colorful charts and graphs, and use Sheets to create a budget, to keep track of my monthly expenses, or keep track of my favorite collections. What does it cost? Google Sheets is free. How do you get it? Google Sheets is available as a web app, a mobile app for Android, Apple, Windows, and BlackBerry. It's also a desk app on Google Chrome. The web app is supported on the following browsers: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and Apple Safari. You can access all the spreadsheets through Google Drive. Is Google Sheets any good, or should I invest in something else? I was a Microsoft Excel user before, and I find that Google Sheets is very compatible with Microsoft Excel, has a lot of great features. So I would definitely give it a thumbs up. These are the formats that can be viewed and converted to Google Sheets that I have listed here on the slides. You can create and edit files online while collaborating with others in real time. Sheets offers a large variety of budgets, schedules, and other pre-made templates that make your work easier. The Explore panel will automatically build charts and visualize data for you, so there's no need to know how to use the formulas. Before I begin my demo, I'm going to give you an example of a file format that converts to Sheets. My bank uses a .csv format when downloading checking information, and I can upload it to Google Sheets and work with it in there. In my demo, I'm going to import an Excel file into Google Sheets, and I will also share two examples of templates: a monthly budget and a wedding planner. These are good examples of workbooks, and I will explain the workbooks to you as we go along. Then there is a feature in Sheets that's called Explore, and I will demonstrate how Explore works. Having Google Sheets would be beneficial to you if someone wanted to share a spreadsheet that they created using Excel, but you didn't have Excel installed on your device. As an example, I will import an Excel file that is saved on my laptop into Google Sheets. So first I'm going to go under the New button, go down to Google Sheets, and bring up a blank spreadsheet. I'm going to be importing a file. So I go under the File menu, go down to Import, and click on Import. I want to upload it from my computer, so I'm going to click on Upload. And this little blue box says select a file from your device. So I'm going to click on that. The file that I want is within my Documents folder, within the Class folder, and within Excel files. It's called Excel Short Topics. So I'm going to click on it, and when it's highlighted, I can click on Open. And it will bring it into my open spreadsheet. I want to replace my current spreadsheet. Yes. So I go Import Data. And here it is. This is another example of a workbook. A workbook has what are called worksheets within it. Each one of these worksheet tabs form together what is called a workbook. So all of these worksheet tabs that we have on here, all together, it is called a workbook. And it imported just beautifully. Now I'm going to show you some examples of templates. So we're going to go back to our Drive again. We're going to click on New, go down to Google Sheets, and go to From a Template. With templates, the outline, formatting, and formulas have all been created for you. All you need to do is to replace the fake information with your real information. So we're going to begin by opening the template Monthly Budget. As you can see below, there's many different templates. I've used Monthly Budget before, so it's in my most recently used. So I'm going to click on it and open it. It will tell you up here to make sure that you watch on your spreadsheet not to enter information in the wrong spot. What's nice about this spreadsheet is that they've highlighted the areas that you can change. So any of these you can supply numbers into, and you can change the text as well. But when you get over to these other columns, if you click on one of the columns, it'll have a formula in it. So don't touch those formulas. Don't type anything in there, and then everything will automatically update with what information you put in the pink section. The next template we look at might come in handy if you need to organize a wedding. All of the information you need to create the perfect wedding has already been thought of and bundled into a workbook. So everything you need is available in a series of worksheet tabs. So we're going to go back to our Drive, go to New, Google Sheets, From a Template. And we're going to choose the wedding planner. Again, it will give you information up here about what to do and what not to do. Over here on the right are actually the list of tabs that go across at the bottom. So you can see right away what you've created for tabs. Again, be careful when you go in here of any formulas. For instance, a formula here. Now you can add things in here. If there's no formula, then you can go ahead and change the amounts. This is another example, again, of a workbook with many worksheets. If you scroll left and scroll right, you can see each one. You can add a new sheet just by clicking on this button, and it will add another sheet down here if you think of something else that you want to add. I'm going to open up one of my files within one of my JH files for classes. It's called Sample Spreadsheet. Okay, this is a very simple table here. What we're going to try to do today is create a simple chart. When you first start to use Explore, which is found in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, it'll say Open Explore. Before you open that, the first time that you use it, you must select your data. So I'm going to select the table, which contains my data, and then I'm going to click on Explore. It provides me with sums, averages, minimums, maximums, and counts. And as you scroll down, you'll see there's a chart. You can scroll down a little more and there'll be a different chart. I'm going to choose this chart and I'd like to put it into my spreadsheet. To do this, I can click on this tiny icon that says Insert Chart. And there it is. There's my chart right there, already done for me. All I had to do was highlight and click. Next, we're going to create a pie chart. We'll go down to Explore, click on Explore, and make sure that it has our range set. It says A3 to B9. A3 to B9. That is correct. If it was not correct, we could click on Edit. And then by clicking on this box here, we can select the data range. All you need to do is click in here and then go over to your table and select it. And then say OK. And then update. So now we can scroll down here and it'll offer you choices to format your table in different colors if you want, just by clicking. And it also has a pie chart. So I want to insert my pie chart into my document. Again, I click on the small Insert Chart and it appears into my document. Thanks for watching the video. If you still have questions, self-help is available for free from our website, www.125livetechmates.org. You can also have help through our YouTube channel, 125 Live TechMates. Personal assistance is free for 125 Live social members. We have open labs at 125 Live and via Zoom. We can also be emailed at 125livetechmates@gmail.com. Include your name, a phone number, and a brief description of your issue. Personal assistance can also be arranged via phone and Zoom. Again, it is free for 125 Live Social members. To join, call 507-287-1404.